Welcome to today's video. In this tutorial, we'll explore the WordPress Hotel Booking plugin, the ultimate WordPress solution for hotels, vacation rentals, and B&Bs. Whether you're managing a single villa or hundreds of rooms, this plugin makes it simple to create a professional booking website with real-time availability and flexible pricing. You'll learn how to add property listings, accept online and offline payments, manage taxes and fees, and set custom policies with ease. The plugin also includes a user-friendly admin dashboard, booking calendar, and even a mobile app for managing reservations on the go. With support for 14 languages and integration with Elementor Divi and WooCommerce, it's perfect for both beginners and pros. Stay tuned till the end to see how to automate confirmations, send notifications, and manage bookings effortlessly. Let's get started and build your professional hotel or rental booking website in WordPress today. Let's go.